everyone, and get ready to breathe life into your characters with Capcut. Whether you're a seasoned content creator looking to level up your audience engagement, or simply an animation enthusiast wanting to express yourself, this video is your key to unlocking talking animation magic. So dive in, grab your creativity, and let's get started. First, it's showtime. Head over to websites like Pixel, FreePeak, or Pixabay. Then come to Adobe Illustrator and set these two items, PC and MIC. Let's bring your character for character. We will use lexica.com to life in Capcut. I will choose this. You can choose whatever do you want, then import your chosen animation sprites and your audio file, the voice that will give your character life. Arrange the sprites on the timeline, aligning them with the audio sounds and lip movements. Think of it as choreographing the perfect mouth symphony. Add a keyframe and zoom video. This will give your video more professional. This is where the magic happens. Use Capcut's split and adjust features to meticulously sync the mouth movements to the audio.